Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD Vietnamese Dong Revaluation. A comprehensive analysis. Global currency revaluations have become a hot topic among investors, and one currency that stands out in these discussions is the Vietnamese Dong. Vietnam's rapid economic development, growing global integration, and prudent financial policies have made its currency a focal point for speculators. This article explores the potential for a revaluation of the Vietnamese Dong, examining the historical context, economic factors, and challenges that surround this intriguing prospect. Why the Vietnamese Dong draws attention. Vietnam's transformation from a war-torn nation into an economic powerhouse has been nothing short of remarkable. Over the past few decades, the country has emerged as a hub for manufacturing and trade. With a young and skilled workforce, consistently rising GDP, and growing foreign direct investment, Vietnam has positioned itself as a key player in the global economy. This economic growth has naturally led to speculation about the Vietnamese Dong. Many believe the currency is undervalued and could see a significant revaluation. For investors, such a revaluation presents the potential for substantial returns, though it also comes with risks that need careful consideration. Understanding currency revaluation. A revaluation occurs when a country increases the value of its currency relative to others. It is often triggered by factors like economic growth, increased foreign reserves, or a change in monetary policy. A stronger currency can signal economic stability and strength, but it can also affect export competitiveness, making it a double-edged sword. Investors often purchase currencies they believe are undervalued, hoping to profit from a revaluation. However, the timing and likelihood of such changes are difficult to predict, requiring thorough research and a clear understanding of the associated risks. Factors supporting Dong revaluation. 1. Vietnam's export-led economy. Vietnam's growth has been driven by exports, particularly in electronics, textiles, and agriculture. Companies like Samsung, Intel, and Nike have invested heavily in the country, establishing it as a global production hub. The consistent inflow of foreign currency has boosted Vietnam's foreign reserves, enhancing its economic stability. A strong and stable export-driven economy is often a foundation for currency revaluation. With Vietnam's exports gaining global recognition, the Dong's undervaluation may soon require adjustment to reflect the country's true economic standing. 2. Global integration. Vietnam is a member of key trade agreements, including the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership (CPTPP) and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership (RCEP). These agreements provide Vietnam with access to a vast network of trade partners, strengthening its economic ties and boosting its credibility on the global stage. A revaluation of the Dong would align the currency with Vietnam's growing influence in international trade, making it more representative of the country's economic stature. 3. Monetary policy and economic reforms. Vietnam has implemented prudent monetary and fiscal policies aimed at fostering stability and growth. The State Bank of Vietnam carefully manages the Dong's exchange rate, allowing for gradual adjustments that reflect market realities. These policies have earned praise from global institutions like the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank. This disciplined approach to monetary policy strengthens the case for a revaluation, as it signals economic maturity and stability, qualities that attract foreign investment. 4. Rising foreign investment. Foreign direct investment (FDI) continues to pour into Vietnam, particularly in sectors like technology, manufacturing, and infrastructure. These investments not only boost economic growth but also increase demand for the Dong. Over time, this demand could lead to an upward adjustment in the currency's value. Challenges and risks. Despite the compelling case for a revaluation, several challenges could delay or complicate the process. 1. Global economic uncertainty. The global economy faces numerous challenges, including inflation, geopolitical tensions, and volatile commodity prices, These factors create a precarious environment for countries like Vietnam, which must carefully balance domestic priorities with external pressures. A sudden revaluation of the dong could impact Vietnam's export-driven economy, potentially making its goods less competitive in international markets. 2. Perception of currency revaluations. Government-mandated currency revaluations are often met with skepticism by the global financial community. Questions about transparency, sustainability, and economic fundamentals can arise, putting additional pressure on the country to maintain market confidence. Third, practical concerns for investors. Investing in currencies like the Vietnamese Dong involves navigating fluctuating exchange rates, transaction fees, and liquidity issues. Without a clear understanding of these complexities, investors could face unexpected challenges. Vietnam's long-term potential. While challenges exist, the long-term outlook for Vietnam remains positive. The country's investments in infrastructure, technology, and education signal a commitment to modernization. As Vietnam continues to grow, its currency will likely play a more prominent role in global financial markets. For investors, the Vietnamese Dong represents more than just a speculative opportunity. It is a testament to Vietnam's journey from adversity to economic success. Conclusion. The potential revaluation of the Vietnamese Dong is a topic that encapsulates Vietnam's remarkable economic transformation. With a strong export-driven economy, increasing global integration, and disciplined monetary policies, the case for a revaluation is compelling. However, it is essential to approach this topic with a balanced perspective, considering both the opportunities and the risks. For those following global currency developments, the Dong offers a fascinating case study. Whether or not a revaluation occurs, Vietnam's story is one of resilience, growth, and potential. As always, informed decision-making is crucial in the world of investments. Stay updated, do your research, and consult financial advisors to navigate the complexities of currency speculation. The future of the Vietnamese Dong is undoubtedly worth watching as Vietnam continues its ascent on the global economic stage.